In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a row or column in Excel. We'll start by opening Microsoft Excel and going into the worksheet where you want to make changes. This is a very simple skill, but it's also one of the most useful things to know when you're organizing data. If your sheet starts to feel crowded, or you realize you forgot to leave space for new information, inserting a new row or column can help keep everything clean and easy to read. Excel lets you quickly insert new rows or columns without having to retype your worksheet. That means if you need to add more entries, create room for headings, or separate sections of your data, you can do it in just a few clicks. It's a small action that makes a big difference when you're working with lists, schedules, budgets, or any kind of table. Now let's look at one easy way to add a row. First, find the row number next to where you want the new row to appear. The row numbers are listed vertically along the left side of the worksheet. Click the row number where you want the insertion to happen. This is important because Excel will place the new row above the row you select. Once that row is selected, right-click directly on the row header. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Insert. As soon as you do that, Excel will create a brand new blank row above the one you selected. That's all there is to it. If the row appears in a slightly different place than you expected, just remember this rule. Excel inserts the new row above the selected row. Keeping that in mind makes it much easier to place new information exactly where you want it. The same general idea applies when adding a column. Instead of selecting a row number on the left, you would work with the column letters across the top of the worksheet. This makes the process feel very consistent and easy to remember once you've done it a couple of times. A helpful tip is to pause for a second before inserting anything and make sure you've selected the correct row or column header. That can save time and prevent you from shifting data in the wrong place. If you're updating a worksheet with important information, this quick check is especially useful. Once you practice this a few times, adding space in Excel becomes second nature. It's a fast, practical way to keep your worksheet organized and flexible as your data grows.